Welcome guys. So here we are. It's been a while since I've uploaded anything. I do apologize. Just want to give an update on the fit. So it's actually going to make its first track debut in March, in a couple weeks from now. So March 19th, we're actually going to New Jersey Lightning, and it's actually going to be my brother John. It's going to be his first track event ever. You know, he's been in the cars just like me forever, but he's never been on the track. And you know, I sold the legacy to get something like this, to learn how to drive manual, and then, you know, just the track really ignited that spark and curiosity. So it's been about 3 to 4 months now learning on manual, so getting comfortable. But I'm excited for John to get and experience a tracking event, and hopefully this car will be good for him and treating him well. Did a lot of preventative maintenance stuff. This car, I bought it with 190,000 miles. It's got 193 now, but recently did a radiator, thermostat, radiator hoses, serpentine belt, spark plugs, just kind of the basic stuff. And as far as modifications for the track, I just got coilovers, KSPORT coilovers, with the Whiteline front control arms, because the ones that came with the KSPORT, they weren't engineered very well, and the whole setup was just completely different, so it was a learning experience for me. But yeah, so that's it. I mean, other than that, the fit's ready to go. It's got the Injen quarter intake just for a little bit more power. DC Sports Muffler just for sound, so you can hear when you're driving. And that's pretty much it. It's got Falken Azenis all-season tires. You know, just something basic for now. But yeah, hopefully it treats him well. I'm very excited to see what he thinks and how it treats him. I think the last thing I would like to get is the Progress rear sway bar. I heard a lot of fit owners say it's worth the money for a couple $100. And then also I need to do the valve adjustment, which is common on these things, so I might have to try to get that done before the event. But other than that, you know, just an update on the fit. It's going to be like basically a car that I take to a track, learn how to drive, you know, manual and everything. And I don't know if I'll ever do heel and toe, but still getting used to rev matching. But yeah, that's it. I mean, that's a quick update on the fit, and hopefully we'll have a video feature of the event coverage. So I'm looking forward to sharing that with you guys after the event. But we do have a few people coming again, like last time in New Jersey that we went in November. So I'm excited to share with you guys. But yeah, if you haven't been out on the track or done an HPDE event, make sure you do, because you'll get hooked. It can be expensive, but you won't regret it. If you're remotely into cars at all, you have to do at least one HPDE track event, and NASA is a great place to start. But that's it. Hope you guys are doing well, and see you guys in the next video, maybe 1, 2, 3. Yeah, thanks.
Keep